So in this chapter we are going to create one simple project on Ansible. So for the requirement is we required four virtual machine and four virtual machines including our target server. So I have two CentOS machine and two Ubuntu machines. On these four machines I'm going to create one simple project. So let's start to let's start for creating project. So I'm logged in that whichever Ansible server is the Ansible packages or application we installed, I'm going to log into that server. That server is 192.168.0.1. So ID Satish is there. So I'm again switching to Satish user. So because I'm going to create project in Satish user, I'm going to create Ansible project in Satish user. So I logged in Satish, logged in as a Satish in 192.168.0.1, and I am checking this Ansible version by running Ansible hyphen version command. So my current Ansible version is 2.9.7. So first I am going to create SSH keygen. So because I need to log into my all four virtual machine without password. So I am just creating one key for SSH login. So if I create key and copy that key to my client machine, so without password I am able to log in to that client machine. So by creating key, we need to run ssh hyphen keygen, then our key is going to create. Then I need to copy that key to my client machine 192.168.0.2 by running ssh hyphen copy hyphen id space satish at the rate 192.168.0.1. So I just copied with this command that ssh public key to my 192.168.0.2 machine. So right now I'm checking, just verifying. So I'm able to log in to that server without password or not. See, without password I just logged in the my client or virtual machine, second virtual machine. Because I have four virtual machines, I'm using these four virtual machines to this simple Ansible project. So on first, from my first virtual machine to second, I am able to log in without password with Satish user. So same key I need to copy again third Ubuntu system. So before that, I just want to make a entry in a slash etc slash sudoers file. The entry is Satish is equals to all Satish space all is equals to bracket in bracket all no password. If I give this entry in my sudoers file, so without password I am taking root privileges. So by making entry, we need to run command echo dollar who am I and all no password, that will be making entry to my sudoers file. So again I'm going to copy the my SSH key to third machine. So I just copied key and I'm just making changes in sudoers file by pasting this command echo. So this will change the sudoers file and make add extra entry Satish space all is equals to bracket all no password all. So again fourth machine I am going to copy my public key SSH key to that and verifying that it's I am able to log in successfully by 192.168.0.3 and 192.168.0.4. These two machines are Ubuntu machines. So same thing I did on all my four machines. Even this target server also I did same thing, like copy SSH key and change sudoers file, make entry Satish all is equals to all no password colon all. So all four virtual machine I am able to log in without password. Satish is able to log in without password to all four machines, two CentOS and two um, Ubuntu machines. So right now I am on target machine 192.168.0.1. In a Satish user, I am just creating one unishable folder. I am going inside that unishable folder and I am creating one host. That host file is for inventory. So in this inventory file, I am just making entry of my all hosts like CentOS 8 machines 192.168.0.1, and that is authorized user is Satish. Unishable user is Satish, and for Ubuntu also I made same entry, and I just closed that file. And now my project, I'm going to test my project. So see how I'm going to test. So unishable I host hyphen apple list hyphen host all will show all host whatever I mentioned in host file. Host file is my inventory file. So these four hosts is I made entry in the inventory. So these four host is my part of my project. So in that host, two host is Ubuntu. So I just separated them as a group Ubuntu and CentOS as Ubuntu. So Ubuntu machine is 192.168.0.3, 192.168.0.4, and CentOS 8 machines are 192.168.0.1, 192.168.0.3. So I'm just pinging that host by group wise by running command initiable hyphen I host initiable hyphen I host hyphen list host hyphen ping Ubuntu. These two machines are pinging, so it's showing means it's pinging, and successfully we made host file configuration. So shell command all. So initiable hyphen shell m shell hyphen all command will get shell to all virtual machines. So these Ubuntu and all. So all means all groups like Ubuntu, CentOS, what I mean mentioned in host file. I just consider this host file is our my project, simple project. So make sure that you mention whatever content used host file is all are correct. You just remember this thing, these commands: initiable hyphen I host hyphen b. Host is my file name, b hyphen become hyphen method is equals to sudo hyphen m shell hyphen a commands all. These are very important commands to create simple projects. So this command will update my Ubuntu host. Initiable hyphen I host hyphen b hyphen become hyphen methods is equals to sudo hyphen m shell a apt update Ubuntu. All Ubuntu hosts. I have two hosts Ubuntu hosts. So these two hosts get updated from this command. So this is like simple. From one host you can manage multiple clients. If you have multiple Ubuntu servers or desktops or anything, with single command you can update all Ubuntu Ubuntu hosts. So this is the automation task handled by Ansible. So OpenSSH server is installed on all the that two hosts. So it is showing installed. So whichever you want to install any software by single command, by single line command, if you run to your Ansible project, Ansible server, So it will that all packages will get installed to your all client machines. So right now I'm updating Ubuntu hosts. I have only two Ubuntu hosts, so that apt-get update and apt-get upgrade has been done from this initiable with my this simple inventory file. Go to initiable host cat host. I'm going to check again. So my all content is correct. I want to update my CentOS 8 machines, whichever I mentioned in the host file. 192.168.0.1 and initiable underscore user is equals to Satish. From Satish user, I want to update. So let me try this time now. Yeah, initiable hyphen host b become method sudo shell dnf. Last time I forgot to mention hyphen y. Oh, that's a problem. So now it has to be work. Let's see. Yeah, it's done now. Upgradation has been done. We are going to upgrade now. Just replace. Yeah, it's done. These two CentOS host to 192.168.0.1 and 192.168.0.2 is updated. So I want to just upgrade by running DNF. No, I'm going to install GVM, giving Y option. Y is a compulsory. Yes, GVM also installed for both hosts on CentOS, both CentOS host. So see. So I created just this simple project for package management. So we can install new packages from directly from internet. Now I am going to upgrade these two machines, CentOS 8 machines. Yeah, it's upgraded now. My these two all normal CentOS 8 machines are up to date now. So this way we can make Ubuntu, CentOS or any other machines up to date, package up to date.